This video will explain how to use the FSU Digital Library. The Digital Library provides online access to thousands of unique manuscripts, photographs, pamphlets, rare books, historic maps, and other materials from across the FSU campus libraries and beyond. You can search the Digital Library using the top search bar here. If you know the collection you want to search within, you can select it to limit your search results. You can also browse the digital collections by scrolling down the home page. If you want to browse all the digital objects in the digital library, select the View All Items in this collection link on the homepage. This will give you a listing of all digital objects. You can start to limit this by the facets on the left-hand side of the screen. You can also sort these results using these options here. If you want to run a search that is checking all text in every object, so a search that looks into every book and PDF file, you will need to use Advanced Search, which is one of the choices in the top navigation bar. Once on the Advanced Search page, its default is a metadata plus full text search. You should limit this search only to FSU Digital Library for best results. Once you have run a search and found an object that you want to look at, click on it. This will take you to the Summary tab to begin with, and where you can access the digital object itself. On the Full Description tab, you will find more information about the object, including subject headings, which may help you find more objects in the digital library that are useful to your research. A listing for the collection the object is originally from, and a link to the finding aid for more information, which potentially will lead you to undigitized materials that are also helpful. You also have a persistent link to the object here. This link should be used in citing this object or asking questions about the object with special collection staff. Thank you for watching this video, and happy searching.